Good afternoon, everyone. This is the daily market update video, and I'll be breaking down SPY, QQQ, and a couple of other tickers for support and resistance, and a couple of things I'm looking at going forward. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be looking at SPY a little bit more due to SPY being a little bit more clear than QQQ. So what made me stay bearish was due to SPY could not break its pre-market highs. You can see that once it could not get over its pre-market high, this level, the bears took over, and we bounced below. Sorry, we dropped below the cash open low, and we actually retested it. See this 5-minute, 10-minute candle bounce at this level. We retested it to see if bulls would potentially buy it up and get over it, and we couldn't get over it and rejected from it once again. So that hence this second drop into the end of the day. I was predicting more of a range day, but then looks like this retest failed of this level, and then we got another drop into the end of the day. In a wild 2 days due to earnings coming in. You can see on QQQ, we're still in this megaphone looking pattern, and it continues. So this is the resistance, teal looking line, and this is the support. We have bounced off of it many times, bounced off of it yesterday, and now we are trading within this lower range of the 320 and 312. So that is the key, and we closed below it again, but just like yesterday, we had Google and Microsoft bullish earnings, and we had a nice move up. And today we have Meta report also good earnings, and now Meta is up 9% after hours. You can see right here, this is Meta is up roughly close to 10 now, so 9ish. It's testing its resistance. So we'll see if it does get over, and also its earnings call. We'll see how the earnings call for Meta later will be. The thing for bulls is that they might look at Google and be like, so Google was up 4%, but now it's down red. It had a red day. Let's see. Give me a second here. I'm going to pull up Google's chart. Essentially, yesterday, Google 4 hours. Actually, 15 minutes more clear. So Google yesterday had a bullish reaction to its earnings report, up 5% to its highs, pulled back a little bit, and then tried to bounce in the mornings, and it closed red. So Meta might be looking at Google and be like, are we going to close red tomorrow or not? But Meta also will be looking at Microsoft and be thinking, okay, so Microsoft went up 9% and held its gains. But the thing is, Microsoft's earnings was much better than Google's, and its guidance was also really decent as well. So it held its gains. So we'll see if Meta can hold its gains through earnings call and as well into tomorrow morning when cash actually opens. So that's going to be key. And if next one coming up is Amazon on Thursday tomorrow after hours. And Snapchat is not that big of a deal, but usually when Snapchat reports, it's also a little bit of advertising space. Snapchat used to always report before the big techs. So when it does really bad, it just drags them down. But the big techs already reported, so I don't think it's that big of a deal when Snap reports now. So key will be Amazon for sure. Yep. So this area will still be my guide, and we'll see if we actually opened above it again tomorrow morning. And that we're still actually there's a mini megaphone here again. You can kind of see. Let's see. Let's go to a shorter time frame, and let's see if we can get a megaphone in here. Bottom of the range, top of the range. Now it's only 2 touches. All right. Top of this move, bottom of this move. 4 hour thin. Yeah, it's only 2 touches. Unless it like bounces again from here. Could be a visual guide as of now. The top of the resistance looks a little bit better. You can see all this touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the bottom, wouldn't count this one much. But this 2, 3, that sort of looks like one. So this may be my just a visual guide. It's not gonna be like, on my Bible where it's just gonna be resistance and support for sure. But it's just a visual guide because we did break to a higher high, no follow through, lower low, and then we don't have any more time. and for the cash open, now it's in after hours. So we'll see how the overnight trades. If overnight trades around here, we will see. And as of now, that's all I got for you guys. SPY is also bouncing due to tech hitting its prior resistance. So we'll see if SPY joins QQQ or QQQ joins SPY. We'll see. Team Bear joins Team Bull, or we get something like today, gap up open and then phase into the end of the day. Same thing as QQQ. Gap up open, try to test resistance, fade into end of the day. All right. I will see you guys around tomorrow. And if you guys got any questions, feel free to put it in the comments and let me know. And feel free to subscribe if you made it this far. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.